Good afternoon. I'm Matt Gonzalo with the Midday News. A Rastaman was caught on camera poisoning his neighbor's dog. And this is what he had to say. So, Naya, why did you poison the dog?
You know, sir, I just live by eye sense. I want the people to look into this, you know. I now beg my neighbor them to give me tissue for that toilet in the eye. So when they have them dog come now and I take my little piece of yard the toilet, we expect I to do. Now give them look good sweet for drink man, run them belly man. Yes man, let's stay over for them yard man. Yeah.
He was charged for animal cruelty. The government of Jamaica has heard the cry of Auntie Donna.
I just wash my face and go driving. He gone to another level now. But them I go for police to bring them come here. I want to foot him off. Mercy. Andrew, me take on this but me can't manage it. Me I beg you in the name of Jesus. Andrew, help me.
These are the new protocols. Anyone to visit 99 Mountain Avenue without Auntie Donna's permission will be sentenced 99 years in prison. No one, absolutely no one, is to call Auntie Donna's phone about charity, as charity shop is locked until further notice. Anyone to do so will get 99 lashes. Anyone that bashes Auntie Donna on or off social media will get 99 lashes and 99 years in prison, or they will be sentenced to death. Officer Tanput is placed at 99 Mountain Avenue to conduct duty for those who want to breach protocol set today. Have a look.
Yeah, nobody make me lose my work today. Just get this all okay. Put all the hands so I'm going to link onto Donna and have a check me. Right now, you know. Yeah, man. God.
So where you do Auntie Donna gate? How where you do your son?
Hello. Who you come to?
Auntie Donna me go check.
You can't go check Auntie Donna, you know.
What you mean?
Call down the first, you ask, you know. As a matter of fact, what your name?
You don't know.
What your name?
You don't know my name, Saloni. I want to.
Hello. I want you to calm down for the premises.
I Saloni this.
Hello, quiet down. Yes,
Call Auntie Donna.
Yeah.
Saloni this.
Yeah, expect one Salmani. Oh, Saloni. Oh, a woman in the manners.
Hey, me not have nothing about me. You know, see me, I'm only woman who keep my night.
Yeah, man, they say you can't wait, you know. Hold on, man. Wait, no, your name, your logbook, you know. What's your name?
The only lady who keep her night and is Sarah family there.
Hello, spell your silver me.
Auntie Donna, me I go check for me get permission. The police boy can't chat to me.
Only Saloni, with the permission of Auntie Donna, is permitted to visit 99 Mountain Avenue. Take a look at our feedback question. Our feedback question is, do you think that the protocol set by the government today is indeed a good protocol? Let us look at the interviews.
When me think about Auntie Donna and the protocol where the government send, me love Auntie Donna bad. What the people them a bash poor Auntie Donna. Look how much good Auntie Donna do for me. See them me house all a billionaire Auntie Donna. And look how much years me dey on the land and nobody to help me. Only Auntie Donna. What if you stop it, man? Government, me love you. If me never love you before, me love you now. A good thing you do. Them a pack up a woman yard. And a cause trouble to the woman. And the woman have 3 bikini. And none of them not no trouble to her. Hey, boy, me I tell you. If you go look something do man and not everybody she can help, you know. Me thank you, Auntie Donna, for all that you have done for me. Huh? Before them say no, Auntie Donna have something special planned for you, you see? One time they get nothing from charity. Them them no say them buy Auntie Donna one little soft drinks for drink. Eh? She then no feel say she thirsty. And a bash about she a take money. But wait, when you no go agency fi get work for uno no have to pay back agency. Just consider Miss Donna as an agency. If she take him, me no care. Because without her, me would get any government. Big up yourself, you hear? See you later.
What do I think about Auntie Donna? And what the government has put in place? The government of Jamaica is indeed a good government. A great government. An excellent government. All the pregnant women that have their babies, they go into Auntie Donna for help. Auntie Donna can help every pregnant woman. What if Auntie Donna was a man? Hello. Give the woman a break now. The only thing I'm upset with Auntie Donna for, she never let me get none of the nyambad pudding. Next time she must send nyambad pudding to Africa to me, so me can eat. I love fufu so much. That's the only problem I have with Auntie Donna. I love her so much. Oh. Love you so much, Auntie Donna. Keep on doing the work that you're doing, baby mothers. Everybody out there, stop bashing Auntie Donna and give the woman a break. She's tired now. She's tired. Think about what I've just said. Bye-bye. Me love Auntie Donna gone to bed. And nothing she do for me and my baby. A real woman, a good. If Auntie Donna for take me off of the program tomorrow, man, me still grateful and happy for all that she did for me. Auntie Donna a good woman. Me say, from my baby boy that gone out of my life, Auntie Donna take me up. Me never have nothing and that Auntie Donna, she sought me well out. So you see, all who don't like Auntie Donna, go eat your heart out and just drop dead. Auntie Donna, you're a good girl. Yeah, Auntie Donna helped me a lot. Good girl. Well, when I think about Auntie Donna and the protocol where the government said, well, me never like Auntie Donna at first, you know, because me asked her for help and she not help me. But me did have to evaluate myself and look back, say, and not everybody she can help. You know, the little way there, she help a lot of person worse than me that need it more. So who is me if it begs with her because she never give me help? Me have to appreciate she help somebody. Yeah, and the people them come out here that talk about how they want her to help build a house. Before them say them want to pack a fabric and a pocket a toilet tissue and go sell that and make her money and make a woman say, yeah, them really appreciate it, but they want house. I love what the government do, the new protocol where the government said, yes, them forget 99 lashes and them forget 99 years in prison or them fit because them too out of order. Yeah. Let me tell you, Auntie Donna do a good job. You see the love connection, me find my love pandier. So make them stay there, then I do whole heap of things. A bag of things she over there do. Make sure big up yourself, yeah, Auntie Donna, and go and do your thing. No matter what nobody wants to say. Now closing today's news, let us go through. Absolutely no one is to visit Auntie Donna's home at 99 Mountain View without her permission, as charity shop is locked. No phone calls and no bashing of Auntie Donna. Do enjoy the rest of your day.